Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to manage YouTube TV account wherein you can add or kick out users from your account subscription. So let's get started. So here we are in YouTube TV, and the first thing that we will do is basically just click on your profile right here. And from here, you want to go into settings once you are in tv.youtube.com. And from here, you want to click on family sharing. So click on that and click on manage right here. And then from here, what you want to do is that you have your family group members right here. So from here, you can just send invitations right here. And this is basically how you can add users into the subscription of your account, or you could just kick them out. For example, this one, I want to click on this right here and I can kick them out right here. But as you can see, I can't do any of that because I am the only one currently in my YouTube TV family group right here. So but if you have one right here, then you would just be able to kick them by clicking on their name or their account, and then from here you would have a delete or kick out button right here. So yeah, that is basically how you can manage your YouTube TV account right here, wherein you can kick or you can add users or your family members here into your account subscription so that you can watch together and they won't have to pay anything more because you are already subscribed and they are basically using your subscription.